So this is called a Bierrock Casserole, and what I really liked about this Mennonite recipe from Kansas was the layering of the dough. So there's these pre-made crescent rolls you get in the store. I got some organic ones, which was nice. You pop open that tube, you layer the first tube on the bottom, then you take some beef, some onions, cook them up together, mince up some cabbage essentially. You can shred it however you want to serve it, and then cook that as well. Then you mix in a can of cream of mushroom soup. Don't add the milk, just the concentrate, right? And then you sprinkle some sharp cheddar cheese on top of that, and then you layer the second tube on top. So we're going to cut into this and see how it turned out. Next time, obviously, I will make my own dough, but I wanted to follow the recipe and what it called for. Okay, so cut into it, and the cheese looks great. I think this will reheat pretty well. I think it's important to make sure you rub olive oil on the sides or butter, just because it seems to want to stick, I think because of the style of dough. So hopefully you can try this as well, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's plated. Alright, has so much flavor. This is what it looks like plated, and this is definitely what I would consider comfort food. Wholesome, rustic Americana. So hopefully you can try it out as well. Have a good day.